Why do I need a new Rolodex? I already have LinkedIn.
LinkedIn is the people you already know. Dior.com is for the people you should know. If you are getting ready to kick some serious ass, and do things that you have not done before, you need to build a whole new network.
So who do I add to this new network? If I am getting ready to do something entirely new, how do I know who to add to my Rolodex?
This job will not be easy, but this is the most important part of your journey. You need to identify the person who is most likely to help you achieve your big-ass goal. This is typically somebody else who has achieved a similar goal. You need to figure out what makes them tick, and if you are awesome, you need to figure out how you can help them. They will tell you what your next steps are, and give you recommendations of who can help you with those next steps. Do you understand?
I understand. So you just tell me one person, and then it is all up to me after that?
No. I can help you identify the first contact. The first contact will identify 3 more contacts for you to follow up with. Some of these connections will be dead ends, but many of them will be live contacts, and will identify further contacts who can help you achieve your goals. Eventually, you will have to manage your communications with the person I connect you with, the people they connect you with, and so on. If you do this properly, you will soon have a ton of information to manage, and Dior.com is the best way to manage all of this information. Good luck, my friend.